Oh my goodness, it is really pouring now. Let's see if I can zoom in. So maybe show you guys. Maybe you guys can kind of see the rain. But yeah, it's raining. Alright, 10 minutes later. The rain has stopped. Welcome to the rainforest. So it's Wednesday the 9th, August 9th. And it's about like 10 a.m. right now, or 10:30 a.m. So we're gonna try and get ready and get our day started. Don't really know what we're doing. Probably just gonna explore and hopefully not die. On the road again. So we're leaving Arno Lodge and we are gonna try to find the river for the hot spring.
We're on the 2-mile driveway.
Yeah, we're on the 2-mile driveway here. So we don't really know exactly where we're going, but all I know is that when we leave Arno Lodge, when we get to this main street, we're supposed to make a left, and it's somewhere down the road, since it's only like pretty much one road, hopefully.
Yeah.
Is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, if I may.
Alright, so we have arrived. So I guess this is the natural hot springs that you have to pay for. But a local, or I think it's a local, they just said we could just park here and then just try not to talk to the security guy, I guess. And then we've seen the security guy, they just tell us hi and that's about it. But see where they're going? That is where we're gonna go for the natural hot springs. The free ones. Alright. Visitors. Something. Keep vehicle locked and personal belonging carefully. Something locked. Swim, jump at your own risk. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. It's so warm. It's so hot, yeah. Holy crap. Alright, we're going upstream. Ow! Rocks! Ow, 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 ow. I kicked the rock. Well, let's just check downstream and then we'll see whatever's better. Oh, we could go like right there. Right behind that rock. So we'll just go around. Alright, so we finally found our little nook. See? We have our little nook. And then it is starting to freaking pour. Can you see the rain? Look at this. It is pouring right now. Which is cool. We have a little shelter right here. A little cave for our bag. So it's okay.
I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you.
Okay, so we made it back to the car and it is pouring. Let's see. There you go. See? It is pouring. I would have been fine staying at the hot spring because there was that that bridge there, but then there was a big thunder that went off, and Alex like, nope. Alright, time to go home. We'll try this maybe tomorrow. I think this is probably the hardest it rained since we got here. Perfect timing.
Look at Moose out here. So close.
Think they have food? Let's see, restaurant, yeah. Oh, they're telling you to pull up there. Alright, so we have pulled over at a little stop on the road to get some food. We thought it'd be kind of cheap, but it's actually kind of pricey. So pretty much I got, well, I guess I'll just show you guys what I got, but both me and Alex food was $22 each. Alright, so our food finally got here. So I got like vodka sauce with fettuccine and shrimp. And Alec got
The house steak.
the house steak.
It's great.
It's great. Oh, I can't wait to dig in right now. There it is. So that's a pretty good view. Alright, so we just got done eating and then we're taking a path to the hanging bridge, I think. But we don't exactly know how it works just because they try to sell this as a package for the tours at the lodge. But I wonder if we could just pay just to see it, and maybe it'll be cheaper. Hey, there's cows on the side of the road again. Shop. Alright, so we're gonna go ask these guys to see if we could just pay separately, and we'll see how much it is if we want to do it.
See if we have enough time.
And if we have enough time.
Do it before.
We got information. It's a beautiful volcano again, just for show. But
Lonely Mountain.
yeah, we could come here by ourselves. It's $24 self-guided tour, so we could walk here all we want. And yeah, 24 American. So. Alright, we just got back. It's around like what, 4ish I'm guessing. And then we got our roommate. And look, we got a little elephant. That's a towel.
Made out of towels.
Made out of towels.
What are his eyes made out of?
This is a real flower?
Fucking dingleberries and shit.
This is a real flower with real leaves for eyes. How cute! I don't know what to do with this.
Pretty snazzy.
Is this 2 towels? Oh, these are little towels.
I left my phone in the car.
I have it.
Oh, you have it? Okay, nice.
There, I'll put him right here because he's adorable.
So what you're saying, we can't use them? Can't use the towels, it's too adorable?
Okay, we just strolling back at our lodge. And it's still, is it sprinkling? What is this considered?
Yeah, it's sprinkling.
It's sprinkling. Oh yeah, let's get a picture. See, we need to get a picture when we go swimming of this. Just like that. Be really pretty. Yeah, this is just the jacuzzi area, or the pool area. With jacuzzis on each side, one right there, and one right there. I'm telling Alec I want to go walk that trail down there, but he won't let me. So what do you want to do? The only thing to do is go on that trail. Go on that trail. Let's go on that trail. Come on, it's not that bad. Let's go for a walk. Yes. Alright. So we're just wandering. There's our lodge. It looks like we're gonna walk right off of the mountain right there. Wow, look at this. Oh my god. See? I told you this is a part of the trail. Yeah, it even got seats over there.
Very nice.
I know. It's amazing. So we made it to kind of the end, or at least the top of the hill. It's a little gazebo. Got a little. Is that Jesus? It's like from, what is it, Brazil?
Yeah, Costa Rica.
Yeah. It's really nice. And look at this view. Hey, look at, check that out. Come on, babe, stand in this.
Don't.
You don't want to be in the circle with me?
The spill.
You don't want to be in the
The
circle with
magic
me?
spill. I'm gonna teleport right now.
So we're heading back. It's a nice little spot that we found. Very cool.